A $200 million mansion in the heart of Dubai, where gold meets glass, and every room hides a headline. Welcome to the Billionaire's Playground. Aerial drone glide, sunrise over Dubai skyline, rapid reveal of the mansion facade. Calm, polished. You're watching OpulentTales, luxury stories that take you behind the gates. Today, a private tour of a $200 million mega mansion that redefines excess. Graphic, OpulentTales logo, cinematic sting. Arrival and exterior. Set on an impossibly manicured estate, the house spans acres of waterfront and sculpted gardens. The facade is a study in modern classical. Marble, floor-to-ceiling glass, and a driveway large enough for a small parade of supercars. Slow dolly of driveway. Close-ups of custom gates, security posts, guard dogs, fleet of cars. Grand entrance en foyer. Voiceover, step inside and the scale hits you. A triple-height foyer framed by sweeping staircases, a chandelier the size of a dining room, and polished stone that mirrors the sky. Every material is imported. Every surface is a statement. Camera pans foyer, chandelier, marble floors, footsteps echoing, soft reverb SFX. Detail. The art collection alone is rumored to be worth tens of millions, and original canvases and sculptures positioned to catch natural light just so, living areas and entertaining. Voiceover. The living spaces are designed for spectacle. A formal salon for state guests, a private screening room with cinema-grade acoustics, and a dining hall that seats 30, with a butler's pantry worthy of a five-star hotel. Plush seating, cinema screen lowering, long dining table, slow rack focus on custom tableware. Private suite and master bathroom. Voiceover. The master suite functions like a private hotel wing, lounge, his and hers closets, and a terrace overlooking the water. The master bathroom? Think spa meets palace. Soaking tubs carved from single stone blocks. Heated floors and a shower that rains from a ceiling the size of a skylight. Slow handheld through suite. Terrace view, water reflections. Close-ups of luxe finishes. Amenities, spa, pool, and wellness. Wellness here is an immersive program. A full spa with massage rooms, a cryotherapy chamber, and an infinity pool that appears to spill into the skyline. Private gym equipment is customized, and there's even a yoga pavilion framed by manicured palms. Underwater pool footage, steam room, treadmill with city vista, entertainment wing, nightlife and games. This is where the mansion becomes a social machine. A club-style bar, an arcade and gaming cavern, a cigar lounge with bespoke humidors, and a temperature-controlled wine cave housing some of the world's rarest bottles. Mix of low-light club shots. Bartender pouring cocktail, wine racks, soft jazz bed.